Did you doubt gold after its reaction to the election results? History shows gold doubters consistently lose. The metal surged over 50% in the past 3 years, and it's poised to keep dominating. Economic uncertainty means you have to keep up with what's happening. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll keep you in the know. Gold's price is sitting about 5% below its October's peak, but Goldman Sachs isn't worried. In fact, they see this as a rare opportunity, a chance to buy gold at a discount. Goldman Sachs analysts highlighted in a recent research note that the gold price consolidation following the orderly U.S. election, flushing speculative positioning from near all-time highs, provides an attractive entry point to buy gold. Their advice? Go for gold. Why is Goldman Sachs so bullish on gold? Because the same factors driving its strength before the election are still in play. One in particular that stands out is central bank gold demand. For 3 years, central banks have been buying gold at record levels. Goldman attributes this surge to a desire to avoid U.S. sanctions, like those imposed on Russia after its 2022 invasion of Ukraine. Buying gold is precisely what central banks have been doing and what Goldman strategists expect them to keep doing. Now, another price driver, interest rates. Questions have surfaced about whether the Federal Reserve can continue cutting rates amid persistent inflation. Goldman Sachs remains confident, citing acute labor market weakness, including 5 months of unemployment over 4% and only 12,000 jobs added in October. What happens when rates fall while inflation and fiscal risk rise? Goldman Sachs says it's simple. Central banks will double down on gold. Goldman analysts predict that rising fears of inflation and fiscal risk could drive speculative positioning and ETF flows higher, while U.S. debt sustainability concerns may push central banks, especially those holding large U.S. Treasury reserves, to buy more gold. If their projections align, gold's price could hit $3,150 per ounce by next year, nearly $500 above current levels. Price projections are just one piece of the puzzle. They are not a promise. But it's worth noting that around this same time last year, Goldman Sachs projected that gold would hit $2,700 per ounce in 2024. Guess what? It did. Now they're projecting another banner year for gold in 2025. It's worth paying attention to. What do you think? That's why I suggest you take the time to learn more about what's really going on in the economy by attending our exclusive one-on-one web conference at AugustaPreciousMetals.com/webconference.